Right, time's come now to just remove the suspension. I'll be doing that today. As you can see, it's a bit tired, as is most of the car. The rubber at the top's perished. Wishbones could do with repainting, powder coating. It's had new brake hoses fitted a few years ago by Paul Matty. So that's the job for today. Here we go. Shock absorber's now being removed with the low wishbones, and I'll just be removing the top wishbone now and the hub. Well, the suspension's now been removed from the offside, as you can see. So all the suspension components broken down, and the wishbones. All the bushes will be replaced. God knows when they were last replaced. It's got to be some while. So all the rubber bushes will be replaced. Everything just needs a big clean up. I think I'll replace the trunnion and the top ball joint. They're only fairly cheap items. So there we go. Suspension on the offside all removed, just to do the same on the other side. And then I think we're in a position to start tidying everything up, and eventually, at some point in the near future, replacing it all back on the car, spraying the engine bay, and hopefully having a nice drive. Right, onto the near side now, and should take me about 3/4 of an hour, in fact, to remove all the components. It's rather enjoyable and somewhat therapeutic to remove all this stuff. I recently removed some bits on an MG ZT, and it takes hours. So it's nice to work on something that's so easy to work on, to be honest, and very enjoyable. So nice. Their engine bay. I may even remove the gearbox, but I'm not too sure, because I know that's been rebuilt within the last 1,000 miles or so. So I might just decide to leave that where it is. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a like, because there's lots more to come. More interesting bits about putting new shock absorbers on. For one, I don't know how old these are. I haven't really driven it enough to understand how the suspension should be. It feels alright to drive, but I haven't driven it in a very spirited manner. I know you can get adjustable shock absorbers, but a lot of people prefer the standard setup. I have to give that some thought. Anyone wish to make a comment on that, please do so. I'll do a bit of research myself and see how it goes. Just as a little bit of an update on what I said before about it being a relatively simple job. Coming onto the near side, everything was going fine until I had a little bit of a seize nut, which took a good half hour to remove. As you can see, if it focuses, just there, I had to cut the nut to remove it, but all's done now. And it's the same as the other side. All the bushes are going to be replaced because I've seen better days. Again, not sure about the shock absorbers yet. One other thing I have spotted, which I'll go to now. Right, just underneath the near side wheel arch, I spotted this, just there. I thought it was just very thick underseal, but it looks like there's some fiberglass in it. So I believe there's been a repair there of some description. And again, I can see something here. So just a little bit of a stripping of the underseal, and we see what we've got there. But the fiberglass seems solid, and certainly nothing in the engine bay to suggest there's been an accident of any sort. I'll just have a look. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you.